Windscreen wiper blades. Okay then guys, welcome back to another video. And a lot of you are probably wondering, why the hell are you making a video about changing the windscreen wiper blades? Now, there is actually probably a few people out there who just have no clue how to do this. You know, maybe they haven't done this before. Maybe they, usually take it to their local garage and they just get the guys there to do it. But maybe, you're one of those people that, just want to try and do some things for yourself. Maybe you've never really done any DIY stuff on your car before. And, something as simple as replacing the windscreen wiper blades is a good place to start when, starting to learn about working on your own cars. Now then, I am going to be replacing mine today with these Bosch Aero twin ones. They're the correct size for my car, I believe. And they're around £20. Now, you could get some cheaper ones. You could go ahead and get the eBay specials. You might get a set for £5 to £10. But in reality, I've been there and done that. They do not last as long as Bosch. Bosch simply one of the best brands when it comes to windscreen wiper blades. They will last you for years. If you go ahead and get the real cheap ones, they'll only last you a matter of months. So in my opinion, I believe you should always go ahead and get the best quality wiper blades that you can. Now, with that being said, I'm going to head out of the car. I'm going to be showing you step by step, although there's kind of only a couple of steps when replacing the wiper blades. But I also want to touch on a common problem with this car in particular as well. So I'm in a 2008 BMW E60. And this problem, as far as I know, is actually a problem which affects all of the BMW E60s as well. It may affect the E90s on the E87s and the so the 1, 3 and 5 series of this kind of generation. But yes, as far as I know, it does affect all of the BMW E60s at least. So we're going to go outside, whip the old wiper blades off, and then go ahead and install the new ones. Okay then, so before we get on to removing the original wiper blades, I just want to point out the common problem on these models. So it is on the driver's side or the off side, which is on the right side of the car, and the problem lies right around where the wiper arm, not the wiper blade, the wiper arm attaches on to the wiper mechanism. Basically there's a bearing inside there, and so it has little ball bearings in it, and they, I guess, vibrate over time and the ball bearings fall out, and then it essentially makes the wiper arm loose from the mechanism then. So it can cause your wiper arm to literally just fly off when you're driving down the road. So it is something to check. It is a common problem on these models of cars. So I would recommend checking that your wiper arm is still fully attached with the bearing in good condition, because if not, then you will have to replace the wiper arm on this side. I don't know why, for whatever reason, it doesn't seem to be a problem on the smaller wiper arm. I guess it's a different connection on the mechanism, but on this one in particular, the bigger one, it definitely is a problem. Okay then, so let's move on to removing the wiper blades, and I've got to give it to BMW. You've actually made it really easy to do this. It's one of the only easy thing on this car to replace. Pretty much all it is, there is a tab on either side, and basically you push them in, and this wiper blade should just pull out then. I'll show you up close here. So basically all you do is squeeze those two tabs together, and the blade should then just slide out of the wiper arm, and so we'll get this side replaced, and then we'll go ahead and do the same with the other side. Okay then, so there is a few differences between the original and the new Bosch one. Let's get them the right way around first. So as you can see, that's the original, and the Bosch one actually has some extra plastic on here, but it's still pretty easy to install. It's basically the same, basically the opposite of removing it. So we'll go ahead, fit the new one on now. Basically all you need to do is slot this little tab at the end into there, and then while doing so you need to make this tab go through this and go through that hole there. And there we go, that's in place now. That's one done. And we'll do the same with this side. Obviously we've got to remove it first, so to remove it, just press those two tabs in, and then it just pulls off like that. I'll put the new one on. Slots in there. Pushing that through. There we go, job done. Okay then, so out with the old and in with the new. Okay then, so I hope this video has been helpful. I hope that you now know how to replace your windscreen wiper blades. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, because I've got a lot of videos, a lot of BMW videos coming on this car, and I don't want you guys to miss them. I've got a lot bigger jobs than replacing the windscreen wipers, so look forward to them. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!